Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to play new treasure digging mini game in Grow a Garden game of Roblox smithing update to get special rewards. Okay, let's get into it guys. The smithing update has been dropped in Grow a Garden and they have added new mini game that you can play. You can go to the shop menu here and here you will see the new treasure digging mini game and you can play it. I'm going to click on dig now. Okay, and it's like the grave digging event from the Halloween update. And I'm just going to click random place. Okay, we got it. Okay, just keep digging. Oh wow, I got legendary coal. And yeah, it's so cool guys. And you can play it to get more coals. Finally, I can unlock the legendary coal because it's pretty hard to get the legendary coal or to find coal from the smithing event. And let me click anywhere again. I'm going to click on this place. Okay, I got it. Right here. Oh, I need more trowel. All right. Okay guys, and that's how you can play the treasure digging mini game in Grow a Garden smithing update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.